Zaporizhia, a city that stands as a silent witness to the tensions between Ukraine and Russia, holds a myriad of stories from the battlefield. Every piece of technology involved in the fighting, from drones flying above the sky, HIMARS systems raining down on enemy targets, to ballistic missiles racing through the air, each has its own tale to tell since February 2022. Even a single type of technology, like the Strela-10, can have dozens of stories within a month, depending on the intensity of the battles. Over time, especially in 2024, the battlefield in Ukraine and Russia has seen significant changes, one of which is the use of unmanned aerial vehicles or drones, which have now become a key element in combat tactics. The presence of drones in the skies above the battlefield is not just a trend, but a deep necessity for both sides involved. These relatively inexpensive and easily produced drones allow forces to launch airstrikes, conduct surveillance, and provide logistical support without incurring high costs or risking human pilots in dangerous zones. In October 2024, a report shared by Ivan Fedorov, the head of the Zaporizhia Oblast Military Administration, on Telegram, revealed how UAVs have become a powerful weapon in this conflict. Fedorov mentioned that Russian forces had launched 234 attacks against 9 settlements in Zaporizhia Oblast using drones of various modifications. This number highlights how frequently drones are being used on this battlefield. But what about Ukrainian drones in the area? Are they not functioning? Let's delve deeper. On November 14, 2024, the Russian Ministry of Defense released a report that drew attention from the military world. In the last month, more than 30 Ukrainian UAVs belonging to the armed forces of Ukraine were successfully destroyed by Russia's advanced air defense system, the Strela-10. This was made possible through operations conducted by the Novorossiysk Mountain Airstrike Formation from the Dnieper Group of Forces, which is responsible for controlling airspace and countering the growing UAV threats on the battlefield. Drones, known for their high mobility and low cost, have become a serious threat to more expensive and complex defense technologies. With the ability to evade radar detection and carry a variety of weapons, cheap drones often manage to penetrate more costly and sophisticated air defense systems. However, the Strela-10, a short-range air defense system long known among Russian military forces, has proven to be quite effective in countering these threats. In a well-coordinated operation, Russian soldiers stationed at observation posts in the mountainous region detected the presence of reconnaissance aircraft and fixed-wing attack drones flying toward their position. The expertise of the airspace controllers was evident as they quickly identified the direction and azimuth, or flight angle, of the drones. Once this data was transmitted to the Strela-10 air defense system, Russian forces swiftly moved the missile system into an optimal firing position. Once the target was locked, the Strela-10 system fired its missile with pinpoint precision. One shot, and the enemy reconnaissance drone was destroyed, unable to continue its mission. The reliability of the Strela-10 was further confirmed, as it had proven capable of neutralizing drones like Shark, Furia, and Strela-10, as well as other fixed-wing UAVs deployed by Ukrainian forces in attempts to spy on or attack strategic positions. While these inexpensive drones may seem like a smaller threat compared to fighter jets or other tactical aircraft, the reality on the ground shows that advanced air defense systems like the Strela-10 are crucial for countering any kind of aerial threat. Russia's success in handling these threats underscores the importance of adapting technology and tactics to face the increasingly complex and rapidly changing dynamics of modern warfare. So, is the Strela-10 invincible, and could it ever be destroyed? The fact is, Ukraine has repeatedly destroyed Russia's Strela-10 air defense systems. On one hand, the Strela-10, designed to handle short-range and low-altitude aerial threats, has proven capable of fending off attacks from drones or light aircraft trying to penetrate Russian airspace. However, the reality is not always that simple. In several recent battles, the Strela-10 has also shown vulnerabilities and has been destroyed by enemies employing advanced technology. One of the most notable moments came during an incident in Zaporizhia in 2024. Amid fierce confrontation, Russia's Strela-10 air defense system was destroyed by a precision-guided M142 HIMARS rocket, an American-made multiple rocket launcher system that has become a key weapon in Ukraine's military arsenal. This success attracted international attention, especially considering that the Strela-10 had previously destroyed multiple enemy drones and reconnaissance planes, only to become a victim of a high-precision strike using the advanced HIMARS system. According to a report from Militarny, Russia never expected that the placement position of the Strela-10 would be so vulnerable. In fact, its launcher appears to be unsheltered. This event underscores the reality that, while the Strela-10 plays a vital role in countering close-range aerial threats, it also has clear limitations. Despite being effective against drones and light aircraft, it remains vulnerable to long-range attacks using precision rockets. This opens up a broader discussion about the balance between advanced technology and its vulnerabilities on the modern battlefield. Sometimes, the situation on the ground is unpredictable, isn't it? So, while the Strela-10 still holds a place in Russia's air defense network, as do drones from both sides, this event highlights how crucial tactical adaptation and technological improvements are in countering emerging threats. Given the numerous destructions observed, whose weapons seem to be running out? Will minimizing attacks help keep weapon stockpiles full, or will they be rendered useless by destruction? Leave your thoughts, and thanks for watching.